Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the charts. You tune into the Crypto Flight Edition. It is your fellow passenger stopping in. We're going to pull up the regression channel, or trend rather, once again to show you all where the BTC price is currently. I think we're up against some pretty interesting price activity leading into Monday morning. Today's Sunday. Let's see what we have. I'm just going to pull up one line that it needs to stay above in order for it to kind of have an explosion to the upside. There's no more resistance as far as what I can see on the chart here. These are the weekly candles. So let's go ahead and get into the chart. Let's dive into the charts and pull up the regression trend here, shall we? Okay, that's it. Really simple. So you're looking at the regression trend. Again, these are the weekly candles. And as far as the market continuing higher, there's only one level. I want to put a range because sometimes the market gets kind of really like, has some wicks coming into the market and it kind of wicks you out. But I'll put it like somewhere right about there. So right there would be $57,605. So somewhere right about there, I think the market, as long as it can stay above this level here, then it will likely at least reach a challenge, not re-challenge. It'll actually challenge the midpoint here between the red shaded area and the blue shaded area. So that level is going to be at like $63,729. I'm taking a look at the Coinbase chart, so it's going to vary on depending on what exchange you're using, but these are the levels. This is a simple video. I just wanted to stop and let everyone know that I think BTC is setting up for some bullish momentum, and also it's kind of a slightly red day. This is kind of what they do. I mean, I'm no expert, guys, but according to the information that I always observe just by looking at price action, what they'll do is they'll lead into the next day with like a slightly red candle. And of course, when the CME futures open, that's when they actually pump the money in the market and they just kind of push the price to the upside. One thing that I have confirmation of is the path is clear to all-time highs. Whether it happens now, whether it happens next week, I'm not sure how severe the retracement will be, but I can tell you is if it stays within this regression trend, right? I think it's pretty obvious. I mean, if we back out here, you'll see that it's within this regression trend. I can't make that up, right? Kind of resistance, support, resistance, right? Just kind of bouncing around in here. If it stays above this lower level here, it's an ascending line, so it will change as the weeks progress. Assuming that it happens this week, it's at $55,214. I'm not saying that's going to happen, but just kind of giving you guys the levels. And if it actually breaks above this midpoint here, the overhead resistance or the overhead level is at about $72,878. So you have the one level that needs to stay above in order to continue higher. BTC is in an overall very aggressive, very bullish uptrend. So yeah, if you're betting against this market, it's probably not the smartest thing to do. I mean, if you time it perfect, then you should be fine. But yeah, I'm not standing in front of the BTC. Not right now. No, we're long the market. We've been long for some time. So that's it. Hopefully you caught the levels. Rewind it back, please, and just write them levels down. Also, if you're new, we'd love to earn your subscription. We also cover many different alternative coins, altcoins. So subscribe with us, hit the bell, and we'll send you that information when it's available. So thank you for your time. Take care of yourselves, and we're going to talk soon, and bye for now.